Welcome to Clayton Homes, America's largest home builder. Built with quality and innovation, these homes are designed, engineered, and constructed right here in America. Different from traditional home building, our homes are built in a highly controlled environment, undercover and away from the elements like rain and snow, which affect the speed and precision of the building process. The materials we use come from quality brands which have been tested and proven for decades. These materials are kept on site to increase efficiency during the build.
These and many more reasons are what makes Clayton Homes America's largest home builder.
With so much going on, it's hard to believe this all takes place under one roof, and we're excited to show you our process, which starts from the ground up. Our foundation begins with solid American steel. These I-beams are engineered to support the structure of your home. Cross members connect the two I-beams and add stability to your home's foundation. Next, outriggers are welded to the steel I-beam for extra strength and support. Once the foundation is secured, your home moves to our flooring experts. Before insulation is rolled out, we lay down a nylon-reinforced vapor barrier, which adds a layer of protection to keep moisture out of the home and serves as an extra barrier against pests and allergens. On top of the vapor barrier, a thick blanket of quality insulation from Johns Manville keeps the home comfortable and energy efficient. An engineered floor system provides a solid foundation for your flooring, ensuring a solid feel that doesn't give even after years of use. Because Clayton builds homes for families all across America, we design our homes to withstand frigid temperatures for peace of mind in cold climates. As the flooring comes together, the plumbing system is installed within the insulation blanket to help maintain consistent water temperatures. PEX plumbing is used in your home to ensure constant water pressure as well as prevent leaks. Interlocking floor decking keeps the floor structurally sound, after which the decking is sanded to provide a smooth surface for installing floor covering. To complete the flooring, water-resilient no-wax floors from Congolium or Bow are used in kitchens, bathrooms, and other areas. Our exterior walls are built to last, with studs framed on 16-inch centers. The door and window openings have structural headers for added strength and functionality. Electrical wiring is covered by steel plates where it passes through the wall studs to ensure safety and prevent damage. Finally, the exterior walls are packed full of thick insulation for maximum energy efficiency. While the exterior walls are erected, factory workers have been piecing together the intricately engineered truss system that makes up the foundation of your roof. Within the truss system, insulation fills the roof cavity to reduce energy costs and keep your home comfortable. Once the truss system is completed, the roof is lowered into place over your home, where a laminated ridge beam and structural lumber beams are used over all openings between the two sections to maintain the structural integrity of the entire home. After the truss system is covered with the roof decking, fiberglass shingles are laid out to protect your new roof. House wrap is installed as a second line of defense to protect your home against the elements and help reduce energy bills. After the house is wrapped, durable and low-maintenance siding is installed by hand. Each home goes through an inspection process certified by the U.S. Department of Housing and Urban Development to ensure everything is working properly. Inspections include pressure-tested plumbing lines, electrical outlets, exterior inspection for consistency and quality walkthrough to check walls, doors, trim, and flooring, plus much more. Do you know where the average household consumes energy? Almost half is spent on heating and cooling the rooms, while the other half is spent on appliances, electricity, and water heating. A house that uses energy efficiently is important to our customers, and it's important to us. That's why so much attention goes into smart energy-saving options like upgraded insulation to the walls, roof, and even the floors to help heating and cooling of our homes be more efficient.
We offer compact fluorescent light bulbs, or CFLs, which use less energy per month and last longer than standard incandescent bulbs.
We also offer low-E windows, which are coated with a microscopic layer that helps reduce UV rays and heat from entering the home. These energy-efficient options are available on most of our models. Customers can ask about upgrading to Energy Star for additional energy-saving features. When compared to older site-built homes, the modern manufactured home is much more efficient. Homes are built in state-of-the-art facilities that protect the home from weather damage and regular construction delays. Not only that, but the waste from building an entire house in a controlled environment fits into only two 30-gallon drums. After your home is completed at the factory, we deliver your home to your new home site. We make sure the transition into your new home is as easy as possible. Each home site is unique, and all the homes are installed to state and local codes. Your home consultant will guide you through the home construction process.
As America's largest home builder,
Clayton Homes is proud to offer their products to families all across the nation. Families with different needs in different regions. At Clayton Homes, you're guaranteed to find the home that's right for you. So visit the Clayton Home Center nearest you and discover all the ways Clayton Homes is opening doors to a better life, one home at a time.
Always interested in getting a manufactured home because it seemed like there would be less maintenance, and the newer ones out these days are just like a regular house.
When you're renting, you feel kind of like it's somebody else's. It's been a good transition from renting.
Compared to site-built homes that we looked at, the Clayton home fit us better because we actually had the opportunity to pick and choose for the lot that we liked.
Reason that Clayton is better is because of the service and because of the people's attitudes. I've never had such a positive experience buying a home.
I would say if I had to tell someone about the process of obtaining a manufactured home through Clayton, relax, it's a piece of cake.
One thing that stood out to me the most was the friendliness and the outstanding service that the Clayton Home Center gave to us when we purchased our home.
They make you feel so at ease, and they bend over backwards to get the financing. They give you more than one option.
We went from a purchase on a Thursday to we were in the home the very next week.
We got the home that we wanted for the price that we wanted, and we got all the upgrades that we needed to make it more efficient. So we're saving on our electric bill, and we're owning our own home, and we've got everything we want.
Owning our own home, my wife and I actually feel that we have invested not only in our immediate lifestyle, but we look at our retirement.
I would happily recommend Clayton Homes to anyone because of the quality of the home that we received.
It's amazing that I can walk into my home and feel as solid and secure as I would at any other home.
It's just perfect. I don't have any squeaky floors. I'll be still young enough to enjoy it.
Thanks for visiting our website. At Clayton Homes, we work with you to help find the best home for the best price. My name is Pat, and I've helped families like yours for years. When you're ready to see homes in person, visit one of our home centers. So, what makes us different? We work at your pace, not ours. You'll be greeted by friendly and knowledgeable home consultants who won't pressure you to buy. We'll walk through model homes and talk about custom features and floor plan options. If you need help financing your home, every home center has a mortgage lender board to help customers learn about some of their options and choose a lender. We get it. Buying a home is a huge deal. Whether it's your home's quality or our customer service, your happiness is what matters most. We survey every customer after they've moved into their new home to measure customer satisfaction. If we have room to improve, we want you to tell us. So go ahead and browse floor plans and get some ideas. When you're ready, we can answer any questions you have. Use the location finder on ClaytonHomes.com to find your nearest home center to get started. Clayton Homes. America lives here.
Blueprints, land, zoning laws. Where do you start? At Clayton Homes, we make it easy to build the home of your dreams. We measure success by customer satisfaction. One way we listen to customers is through the Net Promoter Score, or NPS. This internationally recognized system boils customer satisfaction down to the single most important question: how likely would you be to recommend us to friends and family? Clayton Homes is proud to have one of the highest NPS scores of any business in any industry. We continuously listen to customers, and the feedback we receive helps us build smarter homes. One thing hasn't changed over the years: leading by example. In 2009, we made our commitment official with LEED certification for our home office. Today, Clayton Homes is proud to be one of only 6 LEED EB certified businesses in the state of Tennessee. At Clayton Homes, we value engineer our home designs to save your family money before and after you move in.
Well, when we started looking for a home, we wanted something that was affordable and was big enough for our growing family. My favorite part about the Clayton Home process was the fact that we could choose the flooring that we wanted, the cabinetry that we might like, so we were able to start from the beginning.
Unlike other home builders, we believe in cutting costs without cutting corners. Clayton Homes are built in a controlled environment, free from expensive damage and weather delays. By building efficiently, less waste leads to lower costs.
A big advantage to what Clayton Homes brings is getting more affordability and more for your money. I mean, it's all about value. We buy through national contracts where we buy similar materials at all of our facilities around the country, so we get volume pricing, we get better quality materials, and we pass along all of our savings to the consumer so they're paying less for their home.
Visit your neighborhood home center and see your dream brought to life today. At Clayton Homes, we believe a house is more than 4 walls. It's where relationships bloom, kids grow, life is good. Since Jim Clayton first opened the doors in 1956, our spirit of innovation has helped more families build their American dream than any other housing company. Today, we lead the way with innovative practices in every corner of our business. Family homes, college dorms, military barracks. Our award-winning construction and designs have been honored across the industry, but our sense of pride comes from helping more than 25,000 families a year achieve their dream of home ownership. Clayton Homes, America lives here. At Clayton Homes, our experts hand-build each home using high-quality materials in a controlled environment, protected from damage and delays due to weather. Our forward-thinking technology and smart building practices offer quality and efficiency that other home builders can't match. The result? Less waste, lower cost, and a cleaner environment for your family. From home consultants to craftsmen, we take pride that many of our team members have called Clayton Homes home for years.
There's a great sense of pride in watching the homes go down the home building facility and seeing the happiness on consumers' faces when they receive our products, when we exceed their expectations in terms of the quality and the design and the innovation and the affordability of our products. It's a great feeling.
Buying a new home isn't easy, but our customers know that with Clayton Homes, they don't have to worry.
Well, the speed of the service was very important to me because my husband was getting ready to leave for Afghanistan. And we were wanting to get the house set up and get moved in before he had to leave. So he knew that there was nothing he had to worry about while he was gone. And I didn't have extra things on me to have to take care of. And they made sure that that happened.
The speed of service that my whole family received was incredible. We went from a purchase on a Thursday, we were in the home the very next week. It met all building codes, all regulations, inspections were passed. Power, water, everything was hooked up and done. All the associates involved at the home center, every one of them done their part to see that we were set up, and they're still assisting us to this day.
Clayton Homes are built with trusted name brand materials. You can feel safe knowing our craftsmen bring years of experience to your home's construction. And for customers who want maximum efficiency, Energy Star qualification is available for all of our homes. At Clayton Homes, we value engineer our home designs to save your family money before and after you move in.
Well, when we started looking for a home, we wanted something that was affordable and was big enough for our growing family. My favorite part about the Clayton Home process was the fact that we could choose the flooring that we wanted, the cabinetry that we might like, so we were able to start from the beginning.
Unlike other home builders, we believe in cutting costs without cutting corners. Clayton Homes are built in a controlled environment, free from expensive damage and weather delays. By building efficiently, less waste leads to lower costs. Visit your neighborhood home center and see your dream brought to life today. Clayton Homes are built with your future in mind. We haven't led the industry for over 70 years by doing things the way they've always been done. From modern home designs to cutting-edge innovations like our Home Energy Guide, we incorporate our customers' needs into everything we do, because that's where the best ideas come from.
The staff at the Clayton Home Center went the extra mile to make sure that I was completely satisfied with my home. We went with a 4-bedroom, but the bedroom was small with a big-sized den. Instead, we took the 4th bedroom and extended it out to take up half of the den and made a complete apartment suite on that end of the house.
We work together with our customers to meet each family's needs. With an average purchase to move-in time of only 3 weeks, the days of delays are over. Come home to a Clayton home today. Blueprints, land, zoning laws, where do you start? At Clayton Homes, we make it easy to build the home of your dreams. We measure success by customer satisfaction. One way we listen to customers is through the Net Promoter Score, or NPS. This internationally recognized system boils customer satisfaction down to the single most important question: how likely would you be to recommend us to friends and family? Clayton Homes is proud to have one of the highest NPS scores of any business in any industry. We continuously listen to customers, and the feedback we receive helps us build smarter homes. One thing hasn't changed over the years: leading by example. In 2009, we made our commitment official with LEED certification for our home office,